Welcome to Curios. Today, we're diving into the 50-30-20 rule, a simple yet effective way to manage your finances. This rule helps you allocate your income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about needs. Needs are essential expenses you can't live without. They include housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. According to the 50-30-20 rule, 50% of your after-tax income should go towards these necessities. This ensures you cover all your basic needs without overspending. Next, we have wants. Wants are non-essential expenses that enhance your lifestyle. These include dining out, entertainment, vacations, and hobbies. The rule suggests allocating 30% of your after-tax income to your wants. It's important to enjoy life, but keeping your wants within this limit helps maintain financial balance. Finally, let's focus on savings. This category is crucial for your financial future. The 50-30-20 rule recommends putting 20% of your after-tax income into savings and debt repayment. This includes your emergency fund, retirement accounts, investments, and extra payments towards any debt. Prioritizing savings helps you build a secure financial foundation. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule can be straightforward. Start by calculating your after-tax income. Then divide it into the three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Track your expenses to ensure you stay within these limits. If you find that your needs exceed 50%, it's time to reassess. Look for ways to reduce costs, such as cutting down on utility bills or finding more affordable housing. If your wants exceed 30%, consider making more conscious spending choices. Remember, it's all about balance. Adopting the 50-30-20 rule can lead to better financial health. It encourages mindful spending and prioritizes saving, helping you achieve long-term financial goals. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management, this rule offers a solid framework. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Curios for more personal finance tips. See you next time.